There was an oil leak from this rear axle here, and when I opened it, I found out that the lock nut was not properly tied. This is a complete axle. That's how it looks before taking it out. So I've taken it out, and this is the housing. You can see the inside. I didn't get that. Or and this is the hub. You can see the complete details inside there. And this is the lock pin. Like, this pin was already losing out and it was shaking, like the hub was shaking. But I think I was quick to catch it, and the driver was smart to notice it. Could have been a disaster. And this is the shaft. You can see the shaft with the cup all held together. That is how whole photon, these Chinese, how they configure their shafts. And I think it's pretty smart, because it's an efficient axle locking. I think they did a good job. When you can see the axle gearing right inside, right there. You can see this is the complete face. Sure, yeah, it's got a seal right there, a round low voice seal right there. Very necessary to, it's actually two. It's very important to make sure that those seals are intact. This is where the main oil seal sits, that block off the axle loop from coming off. Yeah, this is pretty much it. It's actually a double oil seal, and yeah, that's it.